Hello, I'm from Sriram. What's your name?
So my name's Laura, and I run GK Tapas Bar and Cooking School.
Wait, are there multiple shops around other than this?
No, just this one, but we do lots of different things here.
Like the things that we did?
Yeah, so we do other cooking classes as well, but then we've also got the restaurant. We do lots of functions and parties and events as well.
Oh. What materials do we need for the easy meals for 3 of them?
Okay, so let's start with the moussaka. For the moussaka, we needed some lamb mince, we needed some onion, garlic, some parsley, some thyme, and then those other beautiful spices. So we needed some cinnamon, some cloves, and some nuts. So that was for the meat sauce, and then we made the bechamel sauce as well. So that had the milk in it, it had the butter in it, and then it also had cheese at the end. And then, do you remember what the vegetable layers were?
It was the eggplant, zucchini, and the potato.
Oh, you're on to it. That's exactly it. So when we layered it up, we started with the potato at the bottom.
Yeah.
Then we had then we had the zucchini on top. Then we had some of our meat sauce.
Okay.
Then we put the eggplant.
Okay.
Then more meat sauce. And then the beautiful creamy top.
Oh, I bet it's not cheesy.
Yeah, very cheesy. You'll get to taste later.
Yeah. This restaurant is open.
So this restaurant opened nearly 6 years ago.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That was like 2019.
That is exactly right. 2019. How old were you in 2019?
Like 4.
You were little.
I was like, that's how I was even able to reach the table. What type of things that you put in the dishes?
So the other dishes, we made the miso chicken. So in that one, we had the chicken Maryland. We also had the miso paste. We had some ginger, some garlic, some butter, and then salt and pepper. And then remember, we served that with the beautiful sweet potatoes.
Yeah, and also the can with a bit of salad.
Yeah, we did a little spinach salad for you.
Okay. It's just not for me, it's just for everyone.
Yeah, that's good. So there's one more I think we need to go through, and that's the carrot soup. So for the carrot soup, we had the roasted carrots, we had the roasted shallots, we also had some chili, some ginger, some garlic, some coriander root, and then we also had some spices. So we had some cumin seeds and some coriander seeds and some white pepper as well.
All right. How did you start the idea of the cooking school?
So I guess my 2 favorite things are food and people. So I thought the cooking school was a really good way for me to be around food and around people all the time. So, and you've heard my voice, I just keep talking and talking and talking.
This might even happen in the future.
Sorry?
This might even happen in the future. Everything does.
So we'll, the cooking class will continue to run, and the restaurant as well. And I'm always thinking of new things to do too.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. There's a small manager's office at the back, but that's not for customers. We've got big storage and things that we store out there.
That's where you most of the time stay?
Yeah. I'm on the computer a lot. As the business owner, I have to do lots of computer work and make lots of phone calls and do lots of different things.
Yeah. I think the kitchen is not allowed for customers like me.
No, so on special times, like when we're doing the cooking classes, you're allowed in the kitchen, but then we swap over. So we say, okay, customers out, and the chefs go into the kitchen. So, and the back kitchen there, that's just for the chef.
Okay.
Yeah.
How'd you try new recipes?
I love trying new recipes. So I always love trying new ingredients that I haven't tried before, or I might taste something and it might give me an idea to come up with a recipe. So I'm just always trying new things.
New things always make it better.
Exactly. And you know what? That's the great thing about the kitchen is that you never ever stop learning. There's always new things, new techniques, new ingredients.
Yeah. Then, are there any new items that's going to the kitchen?
We're always working on new things. So yeah, the latest thing that's gone onto the menu is our halloumi bun with a harissa sauce.
Oh. Okay. Your favorite dish?
My favorite dish probably changes from day to day. But one of my favorite dishes on the restaurant menu would have to be the duck with the orange glaze and the sweet potato puree with some wasabi. So I love that combination together.
Oh. Okay. Suggestions to kids about cooking?
So I think just keep learning, keep trying. I think there's so much available on the internet as well, so you can do little like look up recipes and YouTubes and but I think just don't be afraid to try. If there's something you think might be hard, you just break it down and go step by step, and yeah, you'll just keep learning.
Until we get into MasterChef.
But see, even those MasterChef contestants, they're still learning. And I bet being on MasterChef, they must be sharing ideas and sharing recipes and learning off each other as well.
That is a good thing.
Yeah.
Are there any secrets of cooking?
I think probably the most important thing is to put lots of love and care into your dishes. And then I guess there's lots of little secrets, like little tips and tricks, but across, lots of different recipes.
Yeah. Different recipes have different tricks.
Yeah, exactly.
How do you learn cooking?
So I've actually learned cooking all around the world. So I started cooking with my mum. So I started when I was young like you. And then I've also done a lot of traveling. So I've done training in Thailand and I've done training in Japan as well and in Spain as well. So I've learned from a lot of different places.
From that, you also learned a few different languages. That's it.
To be honest, I'm better with food than I am with languages. So I can remember all the ingredients, but I don't remember the
So I
words.
guess your favorite hobby is food.
Yes, definitely.
Is this store open 24/7?
Not 24/7. We need to sleep sometimes too. So we're open on the restaurant's open Tuesday to Saturday, and then the cooking school normally runs on Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah. I'm making soup. What are those onion things?
They're called shallots.
Oh.
So they're in the onion family, but they're like a smaller onion, and they've got a bit more sweetness to them.
Oh, okay. And they're also boiled or what?
They were roasted in the oven.
Then yes, squeezing the middle out.
Yeah, then we just put the tops and squeeze the middle out.
Thanks, Laura, for your time.
No worries. Lovely to meet you.
It was a good time.
That's good. I'm glad you enjoyed it.